Hello everyone. Is everybody all right? Hope everything is fine with you today as I am. And to all of you, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, or whatever time is it in the place. Binabati ko po kayong lahat. Today, we're going to explore to the aviary. So stay tuned guys and hope you enjoy my vlogs for today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's adventure, I'm going to explore you in the aviary. So stay tuned guys and thank you very much for joining in. For those not familiar with a colon aviary, all you have to do is if you want to get there, you can take the MTR and get off at Chim Sha Choi MTR station exit A1. Also, you can get off at Jordan MTR station exit C1 and walk along the Nathan and Austin Road to the main entrance. So that's very easy access through the MTR stations. For me, I chose the Chim Cha Choi, and so I passed by here in the swimming pool of the Colon Park. So just follow me guys, we're going up. We're just going to walk around 5 to 10 minutes. Depends if you walk faster then you can go there very quickly. But for me, I have to enjoy the place and then the views around, so I walk slowly. For this year, from the 1st of March, they open at 6:30 a.m. until 6:45 p.m. every day. So you can just enjoy yourselves here every day together with your friends and family, of course. The aviary is comprised of 7 planted enclosures which accommodate over 90 birds of 24 species. That includes the blue and yellow mako, green-winged mako, Victoria crown pigeon, Nicobar pigeon, and others. The aviary is famous for its outstanding breeding success in a Nicobar pigeon. This aviary is basically a hilltop circular enclosure which you can walk around and view an interesting exotic birds. And also, the sound of the birds, especially the songbirds, has consistently shown to improve mood and mental alertness. So this is good for our health. While enjoying and watching the birds, it can also lessen the stress that we have. It can also help focus, improve cognition, and reduce tiredness. So actually, birds are relaxing. So enjoy watching everyone and hope you will be relaxed after watching my video for today. So enjoy watching everyone and hope hindi kayo makatulog habang nakikinig at nanonood sa mga ibon na nag-aawitan. Maganda po yan sa health. Kaya ito po, sinasadya ko po talaga na magkaroon ng video na ganito kasi healing po siya. At sana makatulong ako konti sa mga naramdaman niyo dyan na stress dahil sa mga pangyayari ngayon sa ating mundo. Dahil sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa ating mundo, medyo nakaka-stress na po talaga. So, kailangan po nating humanap ng mga ways para ma-relax po natin ang ating sarili at mabawasan ang ating stress. So ito na po siya. Ito po yung relaxing bird song na according to study, nakakatulong daw po talaga siya na mabawasan yung stress natin na dinadala for the whole day at sa pang-araw-araw natin na tinadala sa buhay. By the way guys, mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalaw kay Sulabi. At sana po hindi kayong magsasawang manood sa aking mga videos. Maraming thank you po, lalong-lalo na po sa aking Team International Waray, Team Vipers, Team Vlogs, Team Pia Heroes, Kuka Production and Friends. Thank you so very much po sa support ng lahat kay Sulabi. Enjoy watching everyone and please relax yourselves while listening to the sounds of the song of the birds. So these are some of the names and origins of the birds that are here in a colon aviary. So basa-basa lang po tayo dito pag pumunta tayo dito at syempre malalaman na natin kung anong mga pangalan nila. Ganun lang po. At kung may oras kayo, bigyan nyo ng oras na madalaw nyo rin po itong colon aviary at ma-enjoy nyo po yung place. At syempre makikita nyo yung ibon. And of course, ma-relax nyo yung mga sarili nyo afterwards. So, ganun lang po guys. So, if you're working here, closer, so ano pang hihintay mo? Pasyal na. And experience the beauty of nature together with the birds and the trees around. It's very natural and so relaxing, of course, as well. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much. Please stay connected to be updated with my next vlogs. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Paalam!